so we can walk while it's raining. The sun is still out, makes it feel like we'll break into dance like a movie. Taking pictures by the street are golden hour hits you different. Holding your hand, lead us through town, find a spot to finish our ice cream.
Hey guys, it's Mirelle and welcome to a productive day in my life. So if you watched the earlier clips, that's kind of how my morning has gone so far, and it's around a bit after 9 a.m. and I'm actually a few minutes late to my class, but let's just get into the Zoom right now.
What this is all for a community. The people are really the brand. Understanding these dimensions.
So I just finished my marketing class and we also just had our weekly quiz as well. And guess what I got on my quiz? 100%! Yeah. So now that my class is over, I am gonna quickly write my to-do list. So let's go do that right now. So here is my to-do list for the day. First I had my marketing class, then my marketing quiz. Then I have to clean my room, email my retail professor, do my retail reading, look over my marketing project, go to Zara to exchange some jeans. I have my ortho appointment at 3:30 p.m., work out, do my marketing reading, and then edit a video. I'm gonna go check off the marketing class and my marketing quiz because those are all done. Okay, to-do list all done. So now I need to clean up my room a little bit because it is a mess. First of all, I need to make my bed, and then I don't know how I'm gonna fix that area. And like, oh gosh, it's just a mess in here. Anyways, let me start with making my bed.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my...
Now this mess, I don't know what to do with it. I'm just gonna tidy it up a bit, but I'm gonna keep it here just because I'm gonna do like a haul. I still have to film that, but yeah, I don't know. I'll just try to tidy up this area.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I told no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like
Cleaning done. I mean, that's the best I could do with that area, but it's fine. Okay, now I actually have to get some more work done. So what is on my to-do list right now? So I have to email my retail professor, look over my marketing project, and then I have a retail reading, and then I'm gonna try to get that done within the next hour. It's currently 11 right now, and I'll try to have lunch by noon because I have an appointment to get ready for later. So hey guys, so I am currently sitting on my floor because why not? But anyways, it is a bit after 12 right now, and I was able to look over my marketing project and finish my retail reading, but I just still have to email my retail professor. I'll probably do that later in the day, but yeah, those are done. And so now I'm just gonna go eat lunch, so let's go. With my mom, she's driving right now, but we're on our way to the mall because I got got these jeans from Zara the other day and it was a little too small, so I'm gonna go get a bigger size. Then after that, I have an ortho appointment to get my braces adjusted, so yeah. Whoa. Hi guys, so it's 4:24 p.m. I just finished my ortho appointment. See? And also shopping trip was successful. Where's my Zara bag? Ta-da! I got the jeans that I wanted. I'll try it on when we get home. But yeah. Okay guys, it's 5 p.m. Just got home. We stopped by another store on the way home and now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat first. So let's go get some food. Hey guys, it's time for me to show you the jeans that I got from Zara. Hopefully this one fits because the one that I got a few days ago, I think I said this earlier, but it doesn't fit me. So I got the size 4, or the other one I got in a size 2 and it was too tight. And this is the high-rise straight leg jean. So let's see if this fits me. Ready? Let's try it on. And here are the jeans. So the length is fine considering I am pretty short, but the waist is a little big, as you can see. So if there's a size 3 out there, I guess that's my size because size 2 is a little tight and size 4 is pretty loose. So I don't know what to do. What do you guys think? What should I do with them? Because I don't know. So I just put on the other Zara jeans that I got a few days ago, which is the size 2. I just wanted to compare and see the fit. So here is a size 2. Let me see if I could show you the length. It's like the perfect length, as you can see. Ta-da! Okay guys, so I've changed out of both of the jeans, tried both of them on, and I think I'm gonna be keeping the size 2. You know, I really like it, and also the length is perfect, which is honestly rare because I'm pretty short. So if you're like, I'd say 5'2" and under, I definitely recommend these jeans. I guess because it's ankle length, so it's a bit shorter than like the regular like length at Zara. Also, I just noticed that this was a lighter color than the size 4 jeans that I got today. This is a little bit of a darker wash, as you can see. And then compare it to this one. It's a bit lighter. I also do want to show you guys I got a top as well from Zara, and it's just this yellow tank top. I got it in a size small and it was like $7, which is a pretty good price, so I had to get it. It's the perfect color for summer. It's nice and bright, so yeah, it's really cute. Anyway, so those are all the items that I got today. But yeah, that is my haul. I am actually loving this outfit. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, by the way, these jeans, they're not zippered, they're actually buttons. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's fine. The jeans look good. That's all that matters. Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a quick workout, probably just like a 10-minute one because it's almost 7 and I have a group project to work on at 7. We're just gonna do like a group call, so I'm gonna try to finish my workout before that. So yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so the workout I decided to do is a dance workout from madfit that I've never done before, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun because I love Dua Lipa. Let's start it. Woo! I have cramps right now. Gosh guys, I'm done. That was tiring. By the last song, I was just dead. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Definitely a great workout. I'm like sweating right now. Just in time for my group call. So I'm gonna go do that and work on my group project.
Certain way that you want to break it up.
So I'm trying to think because there's 2 parts. Okay, maybe like for the ideas part, we'll just pick a few ideas to write about. Hi guys, so I just showered, obviously, but anyways, I still need to brush my teeth and wash my face. Ow. Finally. I'm finally in bed and doing some work. I'm just watching some YouTube right now and kind of binge watching all my favorite YouTubers. And if you need some new YouTubers to watch, let me show you guys a few of my favorites right now.